So in this video we're gonna see how we can take user input in Python. So taking user input is pretty easy in Python. So we can use the input function to take the user input, and this will take the user input as a string, and then we can store that in a variable like name, and after that we can print the name onto the console using the print function. Your name is, and then we can print the name back to the console. Now to run this we have to use the command python and then the file name. Now here we can input the username like John, and then here we have the output, your name is John. So while taking the user input we can have a prompt also, so we can say enter your name. So here we have the prompt, enter your name, so we can enter the name and then we have the output. So the input function always takes the user input as a string. Now suppose we are asking for the user's age, so in that case the age is a number. We can directly convert that string to a number, so we can use the int to convert that string to one integer, and then the integer will be directly converted and stored in that variable, and then we can print the user's age back on the console. So now if we run this, so asking enter your age, and then here we have the output. So we can convert this to any data type. We can use int, we can use float, and it will work fine. So this is the way we can take user input in Python and we can print that back to the console. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.